Can you get pregnant if you have sex standing up?
Or if you're on your period?
Or if someone pulls out before they come?
Some people think that the first time doesn't count or that pre-cum can't get you pregnant.
All right, let's clear this up. To make a pregnancy happen, you need two things, a sperm and an egg.
If they meet and the egg sticks to the wall of the uterus, a pregnancy can start. Sperm is made in what part of the body?
Testicles.
It only cares about one thing. What is that thing?
That is to find the egg and fertilize it?
That is correct. Sperm does not care about your gender, your orgasm, your situation, or how compatible you are. Sperm want egg. And because not everybody wants pregnancy, there are many contraception options available to you. What about pulling out? Can that stop pregnancy?
Well, the short answer is no.
Your pull-out game is weak. In fact, everybody has weak pull-out game because pulling out doesn't work at all.
Pre-cum can carry sperm, and once sperm is near the vagina, game's on.
When someone with a penis ejaculates, they release millions of sperm. Even a few can start the process. If someone with sperm and someone with a vagina have sexual contact, the sperm has to go through the vagina in order to meet the egg. If it goes into the mouth, the anus, or any other part of the body, pregnancy can't happen.
However, the anus is pretty close to the vagina, so if someone is having anal sex with someone with a vagina, there's a chance that sperm can still find its way into the body, especially if condoms aren't being used.
That is absolutely correct, and that is bonus points for you, contestant number 1. They will swim wherever they get the chance.
Let's follow the sperm's journey.
I promise this won't be gross.
Sperm swim. That is what sperm love to do. During and after sex, sperm can swim up through the cervix, into the uterus, and into the fallopian tubes. Although, most don't make it.
But if one meets an egg, fertilization can happen. Contestant number 1. There is more than one way to make a pregnancy happen. If someone wants to get pregnant, but penis and vagina sex isn't right for them, or if getting or staying pregnant is tricky, then they can do what?
Talk to a doctor about fertility options?
Absolutely. Options like IVF might be suitable for you.
Even if there's no egg right away, sperm can hang out in the body for up to 6 days.
So, if the egg shows up later, it can still meet sperm. That's why pregnancy is possible days after sex.
Here's something a lot of people don't realize. Even if there's no egg at the time of sex, pregnancy can still happen.
That's why using condoms or other contraception gives you more control. It's not about guessing or luck, it's about choosing what's right for you.
Each month, hormones tell the ovaries to release an egg. That's ovulation. Meanwhile, the uterus gets ready, thickening its lining in case fertilization happens.
Hormones tell the uterus to build up its lining, getting ready in case a fertilized egg shows up and needs to attach. That's called implantation.
Around the same time, hormones trigger the ovaries to release an egg. It travels down the fallopian tube, and if it's going to meet the sperm and get fertilized, that's where it usually happens.
If sperm meets the egg in a fallopian tube and fertilizes it,
that's the start.
If it sticks to the uterus wall, that's implantation. And that's where pregnancy begins.
But not all pregnancies last. Around 1 in 4 end naturally. It's called a miscarriage. It's common and not usually dangerous, but it can be pretty tough. And if it doesn't get fertilized,
the uterus sheds its lining. This is called a period! Yep, totally normal, totally expected.
Kind of annoying. Here's the bottom line.
If sperm gets in the vagina, pregnancy is possible, even if you're not expecting it.
And because ovulation can be unpredictable and sperm plays the long game, that's why protection matters.
There are loads of options for contraception. Talk to a doctor or nurse. It's private and it's your right.
And if you've had sex without protection, or the condom broke, or if sex wasn't your choice, you're not alone.
There's help and support available, and you can take emergency contraception. Contact a clinic as soon as possible.
And if a pregnancy happens and it's not what you want, there are always options. Whatever the situation, you have choices.
Stay safe, and remember,
You're not alone.